This recipe here, one of my favourites, one of the most simplest recipes, is some kingfish, pickled vegetables and Gascony butter. Ready to give it a try?
Let's do it.
Okay, I'm doing the vegetables, you're going to do the pickling liquor. So you've got in there sugar, vinegar, water.
Yep.
Okay. I'll get this prepped. We're going to do half pickled, half fresh vegetables. We're going to use the steamer to steam the fish, and then we've got this ingredients here to make the Gascony butter. So we've got some paprika, we've got some cayenne, we've got a little bit of roasted garlic.
Yep.
Not necessarily that important to the recipe, but it does give it a lovely little sweetness.
Yep.
Still gives the pungency of garlic. Mustard, Dijon, a little bit of salt. We've got some soaked raisins here, okay?
Yep.
They're just adding a little bit of sweetness and a little bit of texture to the dish as well. I think they're quite important. They look good on the plate as well. Some chopped parsley and the Gascony butter too, okay? All right, I'll meet you back here in 2 minutes. Actually, I've actually got the worst job. I just realised that, separating petals out of Brussels sprouts. I'm just basically picking the florets off. We're going to pickle this. What I'll do is I'm going to cut these in half. Cutting them in half just sort of gives a bit of insurance in case they are a little bit tough. And then some cauliflower. Don't need a lot. Make sure they're not too big because we actually want that pickling liquor to really impart itself into these florets. Just a little bit of zest of lemon, just over the butter, into a food processor. Roast garlic, got the cayenne, paprika, a little pinch of salt, mustard, lemon, some washed parsley. Okay, give it a whirl. It's good. Like the freshness and the green, vibrant colour of that is amazing. And then just to quickly saute that through a bit of the Gascony butter straight onto the plate. Okay, we've got some really good kingfish here. We're going to take a couple of these 120 gram fillets for around 7 to 8 minutes, 85 degrees steam. And I'm going to show you a little technique to know when your fish is cooked. When you're filleting, skin on, run your knife, tunnel it around so you get rid of the bloodline, and then under the skin. And sort of there's a bit of traction here now in terms of your knife is there, you've got a bit of suction from the skin on the board, and you hold that the tension quite tightly, and there you get this really beautiful smooth fillet, and that's a beautiful piece to steam. Now, when I steam fish, I don't put anything on it at all. I don't even season it. I just want it as pure as possible. I've just taken the veggies out of the pickling liquor, okay? We're going to go straight to the steamer, put the veg in, and also test the fish. If you're not quite sure if fish is cooked or not, just use a toothpick. If the toothpick has some resistance as it goes into the fillet of the fish, then you know it's not cooked. Little bit of resistance, so about a minute. Perfect timing for the veg. We're going to take this Gascony butter and we're going to put it into our fry pan. Now we don't want to caramelise this butter, we just want to melt the butter. We just want this butter to become our sauce. Put the vegetables in the pan for me. Now what we do is we sort of just arrange this in a way that a bit restaurant-y.
Yep.
Yeah. And then we'll probably use a little bit more Gascony butter and drain it out and spoon it over the top. And if you don't have enough, just simply heat up some more. Don't let that go to waste. Nappe that over the fish. You don't want too much pickled vegetable, but you really want that contrast. And that's where the little florets come into it. So easy, I mean half an hour, that's all it took us. It's not bad, huh? Well, let's dig in.